Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday invitation on Canva. The theme that I have in mind is a unicorn theme. So this could be a birthday invitation for your daughter. Also, if your son is into unicorns, so it can also be a birthday invitation for him. So let's get started. So when you open Canva, you have to log in and make an account and log in. I'm not going to use the pro version. I'm going to use the free version, and we're going to we're going to make this card. Let's get started. So first, we need to find a template, an empty template, of course. So what I have in mind is that we're going to first search for invitation, and Canva has a set standard of measurements for all sorts of invitation cards. So we're going to go for a portrait invitation because that's the most compatible with a lot of devices. So let's go for this one. So as you can see on the right, it has already given us some inspiration for birthday for cards. These mainly seem like wedding cards, but there are some birthday cards in it as well. But yeah, we're not going to use these. We're going to make our own card. So the first thing I want to do is I want to search in here, and I just want to put out a disclaimer. This is not for monetary purposes. This is a card that you're probably gonna make for your own children, for your own kids. So you can do this, but if you're going to do this for monetary purposes, I would highly recommend that you use the pro version because you might have copyright issues. So yeah, let's go ahead and find my unicorn here. Let's see the one that looks the cutest. Hmm. Nice. So I like this one. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't really stand out on a white background, does it? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the background here, and so it suggests some of these colors from from this illustration, but let's see what it does. That's too dark. That is still not, doesn't make it stand out. Still doesn't make it stand out. No. So we're gonna go for a different color. I am thinking pink. Mm, uh, maybe uh, hmm, something that makes it stand out. I think this does the job. What do you think? It does, right? So yeah. So this color, you can note down this color if you're following the tutorial. Um, you know, So what I want to do is that I want to make it seem like it is standing on clouds. So again, I'm going to go to elements over here and I'm going to search for clouds, right? So this seems nice. Let's look at the graphics. This one goes with our theme, but let's go ahead and make it a little bigger. Don't worry, um, we're going to make it go back. So yeah, sorry, let me repeat that. So we're going to go click on this these three dots, and we're going to find layer. So we want it to go behind the unicorn, so we're going to say send backward, and as you can see that it is, yeah. I also feel like it should have a little shadow. Let's see if we find something under. Yeah, nice. Okay, this seems nice. So we're gonna put a little shadow beneath the unicorn. Again, we're gonna go into layer and we're gonna say send backward. And there you go. It actually seems like the unicorn is standing on the clouds. You can also go ahead and lower the opacity to make it a little less in the face, right? So yeah, we could do that. And I think about 60% is good. So this already looks really nice, and what I'm thinking is to give it a little a touch of birthday. It should, I want it to look like the unicorn is holding some balloons, so I'm gonna try and do that. Let's search for balloons here. Nice, these seem nice. um wow, which ones should we go for? These look like they go with the colors. However, I don't like these strings. These are too bright. These, I don't know, how do they look? And don't worry, we're gonna fix this. I don't like the colors. Can we change the colors? Yeah, we can change the colors. Great, we have the option of changing the colors over here. But first, we need to fix this. We need to get it out of the unicorn's face. I'll show you in a minute how that's done. Let's just make the balloons a little big. It's fine if it goes um, behind. You know what I mean, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this unicorn. Yeah. However, we're going to crop it. We are going to crop it to here. And when I say crop, so now the balloons are out of the unicorn's face, but it still seems like it's holding it. Not a really good job at holding it. However, it looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and change the colors. I don't like the blue in here, so maybe we could change that to, purple. That looks better. What do you think about the yellow? Yellow, it looks fine, but I don't think it goes with the theme. So how about pink? Oh no, wait. This is fine, but we're gonna change the orange. No, the orange is fine. How about we change this into pink? Um, I feel like it really muffles it. Was the yellow fine? I think let's just keep yellow. It looks nice. Okay, so we have that done. Now we need to put in we need to embellish it a little. So we're gonna throw in some confetti and some doodles or maybe some stars in there to really make it nice. Okay, so let's throw in some confetti. So again, we're gonna search for confetti here, and there's a lot of confetti as you can see. We don't want to overdo it, so this looks nice. I'm going to make this a little big. We're gonna send it back. Send it to back. So send it to back means it's gonna go way behind. And I think we need a little bit more. Maybe a little like this. Yeah. Send it to back. And maybe we can add some here as well, and again send it to back. There we have it. Now we need to put in the content of the card. So I'm just gonna put in very generic content. You can customize that according to your child's birthday and whatever you want to add in there. So let's get started with that. So I want to add something like over here, right? So, but I feel like the text would be it won't get a lot of attention here. So I want some shapes that I'm gonna go with a circle. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a circle. I'm going to make it a little big here, and I'm going to change its opacity. Wait, I can't change the opacity? That's odd. Wait. I guess we can't change the opacity of this. However, we're going to look for another circle, and we're going to pick out one of the graphics. So I picked out one of the graphics from here, and I'm going to place this behind the unicorn. So I'm going to say send backward. Again, send backward. I don't want it to be behind the confetti, but I want it behind the unicorn. So I'm going to do this until I see, yeah, okay, great. Now that it's behind the unicorn and the balloons, I'm going to change the opacity to, yeah, so it looks like it's a moon, right? Great. So now we're going to use, yeah, so we're going to go to text, and we are going to add in our content. So I just clicked add a subheading, We don't want it to be too big. I'm gonna write, you are invited to my magical birthday. This is very generic, you know. I'm not even putting a lot of thought into this because I know you will, and you can add whatever you want. We're going to use a cursive tone. You can always, like, you know, search here. How about this? Wait, I need to. I like this. Should go for this. But I don't like how it shows up on the unicorn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the line spacing here, and I'm also going to change the font size. Huh. Maybe you can shift the unicorn a little bit. Yeah. That looks better. I'm gonna make this bigger. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this looks better. Maybe I'm going to make this. Okay, this looks good to me. Um, I'm gonna change the font color to something that stands out. White seems like a good choice, but I'm also going to add in some shadow, and I'm gonna change the color of the shadow to, yeah, a darker color. So you are invited to my. You can also change the, you know, individual text color. I am feeling like this should be something else. Something. How about? How about? Hmm. Wait. Yeah. We can also add in some effects and, you know, make it neon. We can increase the intensity, but I think this is fine. No. Um, yeah, this looks better. Yeah, so we'll keep it to that. If you think the confetti behind this is too much, we can totally remove it. I feel like it's adding. It adds a nice touch to it, so I'm gonna let it be there. Maybe move it a little here and there to, um, so that the attention is more to the text. I think that looks nice. Now we're gonna add something over here, the venue, the date, and yeah. So just hop on. So we're gonna add in subheading, and I'm gonna say our home and XYZ crossing. Let's just say LA or LA, yeah, whatever your address is. So we're gonna put that here. Don't worry, the we're gonna change the font. Um, I want to make this smaller. I'm gonna keep our home the same, and we're gonna change the font to something better than Canva sounds, of course. Um, let's go for. I don't want to do this cursive font that we did because I want this to stand out differently, and, you know, I want to keep the lower portion of it very, um, you know, I don't want to. to keep the readability better. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna change the color of this, and I'm going to, mm, yeah, or maybe this. Hmm. I think a darker color would definitely stand out. Now I want to go ahead and put in a line here. A line. We're gonna search for a line, and we're gonna go for this one, and we want to make it 90 degrees. We want to make it a little short, and we want to bring it here. We want to divide, and we want to separate. Yeah, and we're gonna change the color of this to match the text. You can, yeah, we're gonna change the color of the text, but I don't like it. But let's first get our content ready, the text ready, right? So I'm just gonna copy and paste this here, and I am going to change. I'm gonna put in the date. Choose this 25. Let's just say it's 25. I want to make this big and do a little snow. And yeah, and we're gonna add in the month here. So let's just say it's September. Okay, and we're gonna again copy and paste this line, and we're gonna, yeah, this seems fine. Oh, but wait, yeah, this is better. No, it's not. This is better, I think. And yeah, we're gonna add RSVP by say 20th Sep 2 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We're gonna make this text smaller, and I think it looks pretty nice. Let's maybe change the font color. So I'm gonna select all of these, and I'm gonna change the color to something darker. No, wait, this isn't right. Let's change the color to this. Yeah, this looks better. Yeah, you can always do whatever color you want. I felt like this needed to be darker, so I did that. And there you have it. We have an invitation card ready. So we're gonna save it now so that you can send it to your loved ones, your kids' friends, their parents, or their cousins, or whoever you want to invite. So we're gonna go to share, and we are going to download. And PNG is the best way. So we're gonna download it. And once it's downloaded, I'll show you how it looks. And there you go. And that's how it looks. I think it looks brilliant. Follow for more. If you'd like me to make any other kind of card, maybe a themed card, you can always send in a message. You can comment below and let me know when I can make that. And you can follow. Subscribe. Click the bell icon.